To create another user on POCO X8 Pro, you will have to open the settings. Right now you have to scroll down into the additional settings. And here just go into that option called users. So we can add guest account, or you can just simply add another user. So you have to click over here, click to create another profile. Right here you can just simply pick a photo from your gallery or take the photo. Right now you can set name for the new user and click on the right upper corner to create it. And now as you can see, it's created. So now we can turn on the phone calls and the short messages even. And now we have to click to switch to the new user. And as you can see now, we have to make sure that the person is available to take the device and set up their space, because when you click here to set up now, you will get this first setup screen like you are just configuring your POCO X8 Pro. So we have to spend some time. But yeah, that's how it looks. And thanks for watching.